Hello guys, Alex Grampion here. Today quick video on how to set a service, a full service on the Mercedes 2005. So we got the buttons here on the steering wheel and the menu. So what you have to do is go to the ignition position 1. So literally just do the first click. And then you have to press this button till you get the temperature there. Once you got that, you have to press the button here 3 times. You get the beep. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So then you got the voltage showing up, and at that point you have to scroll down using this button to the service menu. Once you're there, you can press enter and it will show you how long you got left. Obviously I've reset it now, so that's what I got left. So obviously it's just been done. Then go back, takes you back to the menu. What you do is you use plus and minus to scroll through it. So go to the confirmation, press enter, and this is where you just have to press on the full service again. So if you press again, it will reset your service and you'll get the message saying full service confirmed, and at that point your full service will be reset. And then obviously, like I said, to go back, just use that button, go all the way back until back to the temperature, turn the ignition off, and when you turn the ignition back on, your service light will be reset at that point. So that should be all fine. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.